Everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Sectigo Certificate Manager Guide for IT Security. Now first, what is Sectigo Certificate Manager? So SCM is a cloud-based platform designed to automate the discovery, assurance, renewal, and life cycle management of digital certificates like SSL or TLS, client authentication, code signing, and SMIME, etc. across large complex environments. So first, on getting started with Sectigo SCM. For initial setup, log in to the Sectigo SCM dashboard. Then configure roles and permissions. For the admin, they have full access. For certificate manager, they have request, approve, renew. And for read-only, they only monitor and report. Now to connect infrastructure, use ACME, REST API, or agents to connect web servers, load balancers, endpoint devices, and Microsoft AD. Now for certificate discovery, go to discovery and scan setup. Configure a scan to search for SSL or TLS certificates on public or internal domains, client or code signing certificates. SCM identifies expiration dates, issuers, certificate types. You can set recurring scans and alert thresholds. Now on requesting and issuing certificates, first is the manual request. Go to certificates, then request certificate. Choose a type, SSL or TLS, then S or MIME, and code signing. Now device client authentication, and then enter CSR or use automated key generation. For auto issuance, use ACME profiles to integrate with platforms like Kubernetes, DevOps CI or CD pipelines, and internal PKI environments. For approval workflows, set rules for approval. Security team review before issuance. Now notifications sent to approvers. Now on managing the certificate lifecycle. For renewals and expirations, dashboard shows all certificates with status and expiration. It also set automated renewal reminders or configure auto-renew, and also enable auto-revoke on compromised or decommissioned system. Now on revocation, go to the certificate and click on revoke. Choose a reason, either compromised or no longer needed. Now track revoke, search in reports. Now for policies and automation. Define issuance policies like key length, allowed domains, and cert types. Set expiration rules. For example, auto-renew 30 days before expiry. And then enforce naming conventions like SAN rules and tagging. Now on monitoring, reporting, and auditing. Use built-in reports to track certificates by type, status, expiration, compliance with industry standards like NIST and CAB Forum, and revoke or untrusted certificates. Export reports as CSV, PDF, or connect to SIEM tools. Now for the integrations, SCM integrates with Active Directory or LDAP, SIEM platforms, ticketing tools, and DevOps. Now some of the best practices for IT security teams is set expiration alerts at 90, 60, and 30 days. Regularly scan your environment for unmanaged certificates. and then use ACME or auto-enrollment to reduce human error. And lastly, periodically review policies, rules, and access logs. And that's basically it.